Should you lock in your interest rate after you go into contract to purchase a home? This is a great question, and there's not a one-size-fits-all answer because it's really going to depend on your risk tolerance and your personal situation. But I'll give you a couple guidelines to think about. Number one is ask yourself the question, would you be upset if the interest rates went up 0.25% over the next couple days? If the answer is yes, and it would impact your payment enough to where it would be upsetting, you may want to go ahead and lock in the interest rate today. Now, let's say you are willing to take a little bit more risk, then I would consider looking at your debt-to-income ratio. If let's say you're getting approved and your debt-to-income ratio is right at the tippy top of the budget and interest rates went up and put you in a position where you otherwise will not qualify for that property anymore, then yes, you probably want to go ahead and lock in that rate. If that's not the case, you can go ahead and float the rate, see where the market goes, and then lock in on a day where pricing improves. Now, the last thing I'll say is if you like the rate, you might as well go ahead and lock the rate, then you'll have the peace of mind knowing that it's not going to fluctuate between now and closing. For more homebuyer tips, be sure to subscribe.